Alright, welcome back to Lesson 52 in Saxon's Algebra 1/2, second edition. This lesson is going to be on brackets. It's going to be a very short little lesson. I've drawn a picture here for you of the brackets and what they look like. And brackets are simply another type of symbol of inclusion. So in our order of operations, we're going to do everything that's inside brackets, and then we're going to do what's on the outside of the bracket. So let's put that into practice. We've got 4 problems that we're going to work. Alright, so starting inside these brackets, let's do the math here. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 14 minus 12 is 2. I'm inside a bracket, and then plus 3 still inside the bracket. Alright, when I have 2 parentheses right next to each other with no sign in between, that means to multiply. So 6 plus 3. So everything inside those brackets is going to boil down to 9. Directly on the outside, I've got this 2, 24 minus. Now, the 2 is directly on the outside of the brackets with no sign in between. That means I'm going to multiply. And when I multiply 2 times 9, I get 18. And then 24 minus 18 is 6. And 6 is my answer. Alright, let's try this again. Inside my brackets, I've got this 3. But then in parentheses, 3 plus 12 is 15. And then minus 5 times 2 is 10, and then a 3 directly on the outside of that. So now I'm going to have to do some multiplication before my subtraction inside my brackets. So inside the brackets, 3 times 15 is 45, minus 10 times 3 is 30. So the inside of my brackets turns out to be 15. Then I'm going to bring this down. There's a 2 directly on the outside, and then 33 and a subtraction sign. So 2 times 15 is 30, and 33 minus 30 is going to give me 3 for my final answer. Isn't that easy? It may look long and confusing, but don't get scared. It's really pretty easy. Just follow the steps one at a time. Alright, your practice problems, doing the same thing. Let's stay inside the brackets. And inside the brackets, we've got parentheses. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 10 minus 6 is 4. And then plus 2. And these 2 beside each other with no sign in between, that means I'm going to multiply. 3 times 4 is 12, and then I'm going to add 2. So the inside of the brackets boils down to 14. Then I've got this 3 on the outside, bring down everything else. 3 times 14 is 42. And 55 minus 42 is equal to 13 is my final answer. Alright, in B, again, let's stay inside the parentheses and the brackets. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then I've got that plus 2 there. 2 on the outside here, and a minus 2 there. Alright, this 3 times this 2 is 6. And then I've got this 3 on the outside of that. So I'm going to have to say 3 times 6 is 18. Let's put my brackets back. 18 plus 2. It all boils down to 20. And I've got this 2 here and this minus 2. 2 times 20 is 40. And 40 minus 2 is 38. Good job. I'll see you back next time for lesson 53.